Alright, let's talk about overclocking your GPU. First, you're going to want MSI Afterburner, and you can go into the settings to do here on this cog, and you can go to user interface and find one that's like this so you can follow along. So what we're going to want to do is we're also going to want to have a GPU benchmarking tool running like MSI Combustor here. If you just click on the K, it'll give you a download link and keep this running. This is firmware donut running on the Vulkan API. So what we're going to do is you can see we're at 64 degrees here, and to unlock your fan speed, just click on the auto button there, and then you can slide it up and down and it'll change your fan speed in real time. So, oh, scratch that. You gotta hit the check mark. Boom. So we'll keep mine at 80% for now to keep those temps down. Now what we're going to want to do is go to these two slider bars, power limit and temp limit, because as we go up in frequency, it's going to want to consume more power, so we want to make sure it has plenty of juice. So let's crank both of those up. And now for our core clock, we want to go 40 megahertz at a time. And as we go up 40 at a time, you want to watch your GPU monitoring tool here and look for any artifacts, freezing, or just complete crashing. And that'll tell us where our overclock limit is. So right now it's at 0. Let's go ahead and add 40. Enter. And it's looking good. And then just keep going up by 40 at a time until you do find an artifact or something like that, then dial it back. And then our memory clock here, we want to go up 100 megahertz at a time. So you always want to start with the core clock first, find out where the limit is on that, and then move on to the memory clock. So bump that up until you start seeing artifacting or crashing, and then dial it back, and boom. That's how you get an easy overclock on your GPU, and this is 100% safe. If it does crash, it'll automatically revert everything, and once you find where you're at, click on your save button here, pick one of your profiles, and boom, that's all there is to it, man.